HVAC services for your own comfort. Comfort is of utmost importance, no matter if you want to relax in your own house or get work done at the office. Appropriate heating, ventilation and air conditioning will help you achieve this comfort level. Before you start the search for HVAC service providers, it is necessary to determine your needs. Services differ according to various factors. For example, commercial AC has to be installed in a completely different way than residential AC. Therefore, your requirements would be different if you live in a commercial or a residential area. You can choose from installing a completely new heating and cooling system to repairing and upgrading the existing model. When looking for HVAC service providers, be sure to prefer only licensed and insured heating and air conditioning companies. A licensed HVAC service provider ensures that only qualified technicians will handle all heating and air conditioning work at your place. You can easily find a certified air conditioning company in Birmingham. Try to get as much information about the company as possible before coming to a conclusion. In order to get it done quickly, you should select a HVAC service provider, which promises to offer a same-day service package. The service providers would reach your place and take care of all the heating and cooling services you need. All these factors must be considered while looking for quality heating and AC service. Experienced HVAC service providers can save you both time and money. A good way to start the search is to search online. By browsing through various heating and air conditioning service provider websites, you should be able to get an idea of how much you will need to spend for the kind of work required. Additionally, you can visit many related online communities, which would give you a more detailed account on what needs to be done and provide various solutions to the many problems you may face in the future. You can also browse through the websites of various service providers and get more information on multiple packages. These websites can offer the contact information that can assist in taking care of all of your needs. 1 Hour Heating and Air Conditioning provides the people of Birmingham with quality HVAC services and products. Visit http://www.onehoureairconditioningbirmingham.com/ to know more about full AC and heating system replacement, air conditioning repair and routine preventative maintenance, HVAC services. http://www.onehoureairconditioningbirmingham.com/HVAC services birmingham.html, for both residential and commercial air conditioners. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/alfred_gordon/868853